Add your YouTube channel on your profile on your TradingView app. In this video, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open TradingView first, and after open it, you just have to go right now to the menu here in the corner of the screen in the bottom. Click right now here on your profile, and right now you just have to click on edit, and if you want to add that channel, just add your channel link here and your channel username here, and that's it. When you finish, don't forget to click save to save this information. So that's all. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.